In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Auto Average and Auto Sum shortcut keys in Excel. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, you can work in a new or existing worksheet. But for this example, we'll use a simple list of sales figures so it's easy to see how the shortcuts work in practice. The Auto Sum feature in Excel is designed to help you calculate totals and averages quickly without having to type every formula manually. That makes it especially useful when you're working with rows or columns of numbers and want fast, accurate results. Instead of building formulas from scratch, Excel can recognize the data range for you and insert the calculation automatically. For this demonstration, imagine you have sample sales data entered in a column: 1200, 850, 950, 1000, and 1500. These values will be the numbers we use to calculate both the total and the average. To calculate the sum, first select the cell directly below the numbers, or the cell next to them if your data is arranged in a row. This is important because Excel uses the selected position to guess which cells you want to total. Once that cell is selected, press Alt and the equals sign at the same time. This inserts the sum formula automatically. Excel will usually highlight the range it thinks you want to add. If the highlighted range looks correct, simply press Enter. The total will appear in the cell. Using the sample sales data, Excel creates the formula equals sum open parenthesis A2 colon A6 close parenthesis, and the result is 5500. This is a fast way to total a list without typing the formula yourself, and it's one of the most useful keyboard shortcuts to remember in Excel. Now let's calculate the average. To do that, click the Auto Sum drop-down arrow on either the Home tab or the Formulas tab. From that menu, choose Average. Excel will again suggest the range of cells to include. If the range is correct, press Enter to confirm. Excel then inserts the average formula and shows the result. With the same sample data, the formula becomes equals average open parenthesis A2 colon A6 close parenthesis, and the result is 1100. A helpful tip here is to always glance at the highlighted range before pressing Enter. Excel is very good at detecting nearby numbers, but checking the range ensures your final result is accurate. That's how to use Auto Sum and Auto Average in Excel to calculate totals and averages quickly and efficiently.